We want to look ahead to this big earnings report after the bell today. I know you're looking at some research. There's some estimates out there that Apple's added about 100 million iPhone users over the past 18 months. What kind of sense does that give you about what we're going to hear after the bell?
Well, I think that number goes to the ecosystem, Frank. So one of the things, and I believe that's the real story behind Apple's growth and sustainable growth. The ecosystem, and that is services, has slowed down in recent years. And so now what we expect to see with the growth, not only in users, but demand for additional cloud service and music and all the accoutrements, is that we will continue to see that return to double-digit growth. And I think what's really important is that China in the last 12 months has actually grown. The company has gained share in China by 300 basis points. I find that number kind of remarkable, given the tensions that we've seen between the U.S. and China and the crackdown on business in China. So I'm really encouraged by that. And we'll see what the company says today about guidance in China.
So I want to go back to what you were just saying about China. You're saying you've seen estimates where it's gained market share by 300 basis points, or basically 3%, because we had another guest not that long ago saying that Apple has about 10% market share in China, 3% in India. So let's talk about China and India, two potential growth markets. Which one do you think is more important to Apple? Which one will we hear more about on the call?
Well, I think we'll probably hear about China, but increasingly India, they're moving their supply chain or portions of the supply chain to India. You have a growing population. They have historically recycled phones and sold them in some of the third world countries. And now I think what you're seeing is that as the average sales price goes up around the world, that India will become more important in terms of marginal growth. And what we'll be watching is, are the sales prices going up ex-US? So the average sales price in the US is about $900 to $920 or something dollars, and that's pretty impressive, given that historically in technology, what you've seen is prices come down over time. That has not been the case with Apple. I just got a new 14, and it's kind of remarkable how much you pay for this little gadget.
Yeah, remarkable is not the word I would use, Nancy. It's expensive. I want to go to their PC business. We've seen a big PC slowdown. They've guided that there's going to be, impact from that PC slowdown. How big of a story is that for this report? And also, how big of a story is the dollar?
So I'm going to answer backwards first. So the dollar, to me, no one is talking about it. We've seen a pretty material decline in the dollar versus rest of world currencies. Last year, the dollar added a drag on S&P earnings of about 5 to 7%, depending on how you do the math. So I think at the margin, that's going to be able to allow the company some cushion in terms of earnings growth and margins. But in terms of PCs, I think that story is pretty well known. And all I would say is, that a couple of years back, the iPad was kind of left for dead. And